Hello and welcome back to AI in Action. Stop wasting time and start creating smarter. In this video, I am revealing the top free AI tools that will completely transform how you create content in 2025. Whether you are a YouTuber, blogger, or social media creator, these tools will save you hours every week. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. It is not just for chatting anymore. With the right prompts, you can generate video scripts, social media captions, blog outlines, and even marketing copy. It is your personal writing assistant available 24/7. Need stunning visuals and captions? Canva's Magic Write is a game changer. Use it to generate catchy copy directly inside your design. And the best part, it's built into Canva's free plan. Next is Notion AI. It is perfect for content planning, to-do lists, and even full blog drafts. It turns your ideas into organized content in seconds. Want to transcribe your podcast, YouTube video, or voice notes? Otter AI automatically converts audio to text with impressive accuracy. It is perfect for repurposing content. And finally, for high quality visuals, use the AI-powered search in Pexels or Pixabay. Just type what you need and they deliver the best royalty-free images and videos instantly. These free AI tools are just the beginning. Start experimenting today and level up your content game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly AI tips, and drop a comment with your favorite AI.